Good morning, my dear students. Hope you people are safe at home. To avoid the spread of COVID-19, stay home, stay safe. Today I'm here to discuss about what are the different topics that we have this year in accountancy. Basically, there are two parts. In part 1, there are 5 chapters, and in part 2, there are 6 chapters. Chapter number 1, that is not-for-profit organization. Basically, when we say business, it is based on profit. But this chapter speaks about other than profit, which means some organizations are formed not for profit, but to provide services. In this chapter, we basically discuss about how to prepare an income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Chapter number 2, that is accounting for partnership, basic concept. Last year we have studied about sole proprietorship and also preparation of financial statement. As we know, sole proprietor means single owner. This year, we discuss about partnership form of business. Basically, it is difficult to invest money to the business by single person. Therefore, partnership form of organization came forward. In this chapter, we discuss about the treatment of different types of accounts. That is, calculation of interest on investment, calculation of interest on drawings, calculation of profit and loss account, etc. Chapter number 3, that is reconstitution of partnership firm. Under that we discuss about admission of a partner. Under this chapter there are different situations under partnership. When a business requires additional capital or the partners may admit a new partner to the business. Even when a new partner admits to the business, certain changes will happen for the preparation of accounts. In this chapter, we discuss about calculation of new profit sharing ratio, sacrifice ratio, preparation of revaluation account, partners capital account, and the balance sheet. And the chapter number 4, that is reconstitution of partnership firm, retirement and death of a partner. As we specified in the admission of a partner, even during the retirement of a partner, there will be certain changes in the preparation of accounts. In this chapter, we discuss about the calculation of new profit sharing ratio, gain ratio, revaluation account, partners capital account, and balance sheet. One more concept under this chapter is death of a partner. Even during the death of a partner, the firm has to prepare or firm has a certain legal formalities to pay the amount to the deceased partner. That means usually the payment has to be done to the executors. Those are nothing but the legal representative of a deceased partner. So, in this chapter, we have to prepare partners executors account. And the last chapter under part 1 will be dissolution of a partnership firm. Dissolution means dissolving the firm, that is closing the firm. It may be because of loss or it may be because of some other reasons. Maybe at the partnership may end, partnership at will, or some other reasons. Even to close a firm, there are certain formalities have to be done. That is, the firm has to pay the liabilities and the asset has to be sold. And the financial accounts has to be closed for that particular year. So under this chapter, we basically prepare realization account, partners capital account and bank account. In this chapter, we prepare bank account because henceforth there is no business. If we are preparing a balance sheet, that means we have a business for the next year as well. But under dissolution, we prepare bank account because we do not continue the business henceforth. This is regarding part 1.